Hey guys, so in this quick video I will just give you a quick comparison to the point between the PowerDetect upright and cordless and what kind of you can expect out of both. So if you're looking for like maximum power and you want to like clean things thoroughly, you want to go with the upright because like how much powerful it is. So that's great. Now also you have deep carpet cleaning, a large home coverage, less frequent emptying, and one vacuum to do it all. So that's like very good. But what about the cordless? So you want to go with the cordless if you want to go for lightweight, maneuverability, cordless convenience, easy under furniture cleaning, compact storage, quick and grab and go cleaning, and in this way it's better. Now also you got long charge time, recharge time, so that's something to be aware of, from like about like 4 or 5 hours to charge it fully. Also with upright it's more heavier, so we can see it's like a big thing, and you don't want to really use it on thin carpets. You just want to be careful on the thin carpets. And you got like also like even when you're gonna check your higher price point, but still that's something to be like aware of. But other than that, they are both good products but different usages. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.